We'll guide you through how to fix an iPhone 15 screen not responding. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be quite worrying as you're trying to go and use your phone and nothing's happening. Essentially it's gone and frozen maybe, or just the touchscreen isn't working. It doesn't matter, we've got a fix you can try. We should hopefully go and fix this. So what we can try doing is performing a forced restart. So go and restart your phone without using the touchscreen, so you can do it. This is a button combination, so what you need to do is go and press the increase volume button, the decrease, and then hold down the side power button. That all needs to be done quite consecutively and quickly. So keep the power button held down, you'll go and see it says slide the power off. Don't worry, just keep on holding it. Your phone screen will go black. Keep it held down until you go and see the Apple icon and release. Now wait for it to start. It's now gone and started, and hopefully now the touchscreen is now responding again and you can use it and your problem is solved. If you found this useful, then please leave a like.